This 5-minute release routine is designed to melt away tightness across your whole body. It's perfect for a quick reset during the day or a gentle wake-up in the morning. We'll be alternating between standing and kneeling stretches, letting each movement bring ease into the legs, hips, shoulders, and back. No equipment needed, just a mat if you'd like. We'll start by loosening up in a dynamic forward fold, work our way through core and hip openers, and finish with grounding stretches for a full body release. Begin standing, feet hip-width apart. Inhale, then exhale as you fold forward, letting your fingertips glide down toward your toes. From here, sweep your hands side to side across your feet, feeling your hamstrings and lower back gently release with each sweep. With every swing, imagine tension melting down, leaving your legs and spine lighter and more open. Each sweep invites your body to move freely, preparing you for deeper release through the hips and core. Let's finish here, ready to settle into our next movement. Get in a squat position. Bring your knees hip-width apart. Let one knee drop to the opposite foot. Then bring back to center. Then alternate. Keep your movement smooth, feeling the stretch release along your hips and lower back. Each gentle rotation works like a massage for your hip joints, unwinding any tightness that often hides deep within. Let the motion warm up your lower body, creating a sense of ease that travels through your core. We'll wrap up with one more rotation on each side, letting the hips feel free and open for what's next. Lie face down on the mat, hands placed beneath your shoulders. Gently press up, lifting your chest and drawing your shoulders down and back into cobra stretch. Feel the stretch reach along your spine, opening your chest and releasing your back. Take slow, deep breaths, letting each exhale soften your shoulders and bring calm to your entire upper body. This moment allows your back to unwind, creating space from the core to your shoulders. As we close the stretch, sink fully into the release, preparing for the next movement. Push up into downward dog, lifting your hips high, feeling the stretch through your calves and hamstrings. Inhale deeply, then exhale as you shift forward into cobra, lowering your hips to the mat and lifting your chest. Continue this flowing movement, letting each inhale guide you into downward dog, and each exhale bring you down into cobra. This stretch unites our upper body and lower body, creating a wave of flexibility that flows along your spine and legs. Let's complete one last wave, feeling your body fully connected from head to toe. Finally, lower down into child's pose. Bring your knees wide and sitting back towards your heels. Reach your arms forward, allowing your forehead to rest on the mat. Breathe deeply here, letting the stretch settle across your back, hips, and shoulders. This last stretch brings everything together, grounding your body and clearing away any remaining tightness. Each breath settles you further, leaving a calm, open feeling that flows through your entire body. Enjoy this last breath here, allowing calm and ease to settle in as we complete our session. Well done, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've brought release and flexibility through your entire body. Keep this lightness with you today. If you're ready for more, explore another stretch, jump into a workout, or find a mindful moment to stay grounded. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.